video. So I know I haven't done a video in a long time. I just haven't felt like doing it, but today we are doing a video. So we're gonna start doing a lot of our quests. Only catch 3 mustard fish. We're also gonna try to get the 35,000 fishing rod. Catch a mustard fish. Oh, there's a big group of these guys. No! Stop biting me. Okay, there's one right here. Yes, got one. Sell him. Oh, why didn't he get it? Oh, I got him. Okay, that's 2 mustard fish. Thank you. And no, that's a bad cast. There we go. Oh, that's a grumper, but I'll take it. I mean, it's better than nothing. Sell. There we go. Nope. I mean, I'll sell this guy. Well, actually, no. Just throw him back in. No! He took it. Wow. Grab it. Fine. Grab it. Okay, good. Oh, 3 mustard fish right there? Wow. Okay, a boat? What? 35,000 for a boat. A kingfish. Let's look in the catalog. Okay, it's not. Oh, kingfish. Okay, it's a small. I just wanna throw this. Yeah, yeet. Yeah, those. Bad. Oh, are those it? I mean, I'll take the mustard fish. I'm not gonna complain. Oh no, I don't. Do you? I mean, it's a small, so you shouldn't have to. No! Wait, they're like right there. I need to get rid of all those fish. Wait a minute. What if I put a bomb? No! 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 Why have you done this game? I need to put another bomb on it. No, they're right there. Wow. These guys are hard. It's not good. No, it's not a good throw. Okay. They move so fast. Oh, and he took it, but I don't care. Okay. It's a good cast. Mustard fish, that's fine. See, it's right there. Wow. Kingfish? Yes! Don't. Yes! Kingfish! Okay, so that's a kingfish. That's gonna be on our catalog now. Oh, and I need bigger bait since he just ran over there. Wow. Okay, gonna cast again. One of these guys. I need I need 2 more of those. Yes. Don't bite it. Don't bite it. Yes, he didn't bite it. Because I think if they bite the fish, then it won't add to the quest. And if it doesn't add to the quest, then that sucks. Bad mustard fish. No, I was so close. Don't. Queenfish. Oh my gosh. I mean, I think that's a crayfish, at least. No! No! Why? Just why? I was so close. I need one last kingfish. I dodge everything. No! These guys just, like, want the bait. No, not you! I mean, I'll see what this is, at least. 900, wow. That's good. I'll sell that. Oh, no, I don't want this! I don't want this blue fish. I want the kingfish. Not one of you! Queenfish, come on. Don't. Yes. Okay. No, I bring them up. I bring them up. They're right there. No. So I guess if I just bring those guys up, that'll probably be the best thing to do. No. Oh, I mean, it's a queenfish. Oh, don't. They're following the queenfish. This is good. Yes! 350? Ooh! What's the new quest? Seraph. What's a Seraph? Getting me some good money. Oh, okay. Seraph. Okay, oh! Is it that, like, big beak thing? Oh, okay. So first of all, I need a mustard fish. Because it's it's a large. I would obviously need mustard fish if it's large. No! Catch. Okay, caught that. That's good enough. Okay, got a mustard fish. Now if I can just catch one of those big guys. No, there was a Seraph. No, okay, I mean, it's a mustard fish. It can be used as bait. Okay, no, 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 okay. I don't want a cowfish. I don't want any of that. No! No, I don't want you. Okay. I need you. Come on. No, I don't want you! I need a Seraph! Whatever that thing is. Use this guy to get a mustard fish right here. Mustard, yes. Okay, but why is it called a mustard fish? I mean, it's yellow. Kind of looks like mustard. Need to do it farther. Don't want you. Okay. I wanted to serve. No! Okay, it just goes like right there. I don't want to. Oh no! Like, why? Just why? I don't think that's gonna be far enough. It's right there. Come on. No! Wow. It's literally just right there. No. No. Seraph? Yes! 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 I think that this is a Seraph. Please tell me it is. It's a Seraph! 15,000? So this guy, oh my gosh. Turgeon? What's that? Is it in here? No. Oh, is it that red thing? That like weird red thing? I'm just gonna take a guess that it is. T-slot. Eisenler cast. Click to hold the line when casting, enabling a shorter or more complex cast. Bait guard. Small fish aren't. Yes. Small fish aren't able. That's good. Okay. It's kind of bad, also. Oh. I guess that isn't a small fish. It said small fish. You know, take it and use it. Okay, you were right there. No. No. Oh, no. Oh, no. No, I don't want to. I want that big thing. And I don't want this, like, kissy fish. It takes so long to get these guys. I need a better strength for this. Okay. It was right there. It was right there. Trying to find where it is. Okay. Oh, it's right there. Okay. Saw where it was. No. Okay. Let's try a rocket. I didn't want to. You're so hard to like pull. Yeah, it's right there. I can sell this, or I'm gonna sell this. This is a high dollar thing. Okay. No, I don't want to. Is the baiting guard even working? There we go. Okay, I have to put a rocket on here, and I'm also gonna put a bomb. And let's go. No, I didn't want you. No. Oh, I was so close. Come on. No! I wanted the red fish. No! I didn't want you! Have to try this again. Not that deep. I just a rocket. Let's see how this does. I don't want you! Not you! I don't want you either. This is so hard. Once we catch this, I will be so happy. Where is it? Where is it? Where did it go? No, you poo-poo! Last rocket that I'm gonna use. Oh, there's a shark. Oh no! How is that living? No, I'm just gonna keep using rockets. Oh no, I didn't have any bait. How much does this go? Oh, 900. Okay, well, we're gonna end the video here, guys. Have a nice day. See you later.